Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change the theme of keyboard on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you, if you guys feel bored with your theme of your wallpaper that is black or white, don't need to be worried guys, because you can change your own theme of keyboard on your cell phone. And Poco M7 Pro is providing a lot of theme on your cell phone that you can choose one of them to become your theme of your keyboard. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, the first thing first, now you have to show your own keyboard like this. And then to change the theme, now you can click on the left top, and then now you can go to themes, and then now you can choose it from your gallery, or you can also download it. And then now you can click this one to download, and here there are so many themes on your keyboard that you can choose freely. And then I will choose this one, and then click download. After that, apply. And so yeah, here's the result of your new themes of keyboard. Alright guys, so yeah, it's easy, right? And here's the tutorial. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.